Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will attempt to determine whether a number is a factor of another number or whether a number is a multiple of another number. So let's do this. Let's see. Then how do we determine? Alright, so the working for this would then be whether 9 is a factor of 39. We just need to show the working. 39 divided by 9. This will actually give us a mixed number. 4 and 1 over 3. Meaning that actually (39) cannot be divided by 9 exactly without leaving a remainder. So therefore, no. Nine is not a factor of 39 since 39 cannot be divided by 9 exactly without leaving a remainder. So using the same method, let's try out part B. 765, I'm going to attempt to divide by 3. And this gives me a whole number. Meaning that there is no remainder. And therefore, yes. 3 is a factor of 765 since 765 can be divided by 3 exactly. And now the focus changed to multiple. So for this particular question, we just need to make sure that and check that if 300 divided by 5 and it gives me a whole number, in this case is 60, then yes, since 300 can be divided by 5 exactly, and since 5 is a factor of 300. And let's do the same for the other part. Let's try 128 divided by 6, and this will actually give me 21 and 1/3, which means that since this is a mixed number, no, this tells me that since 6 is not a factor of 128, it is not a multiple of 6. With that, we have come to the end of this video, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.